Hi guys, a very quick video to show the winner for my lucky draw to my little sketch that I did about 3 months ago. I put up a Facebook post. For those of you who saw it, you put your name there, you tag a friend. I actually did a very quick sort of lucky draw, and I am going to show you who won this round. Well, I'm sorry that it took so long, 3 months, but as you know, I've been on the road. I have been traveling quite a bit with my wife and my family. Daughter was back for her summer holidays, and I just got back from Turkey. That was 3 weeks, and before that, I was pretty much on the road as well. So, if you have not seen my Turkey sketchbook, I'll put a link up here. While I write the names of the people who took part in the competition, I want to tell you about my travel sketching to Jakarta. I will leave a link for more information in the description below, as well as a link to sign up if you are interested. It will be for 4 days, November 21st to November 24th. The hotels, dinners and breakfast are all taken care of, and then there are some ground transportation to the sites that we'll be sketching, and so on and so forth. You know, find out more about it in the brochure that I have a link below. I have an agent in Jakarta, Dimas Suryo. He's a cool guy. We went for a trip with him to tour the batik manufacturers in the Java Island, and I really enjoyed his stories, his knowledge of history, his knowledge of Indonesian history, and so on and so forth. So I decided I'll partner with him to provide this workshop, this sketching out, workshop in Jakarta, where he will provide all the logistics and the stories, history, and so on, while I provide the training for sketching. It's targeted at beginners, and if you are a sketchers, you want to come along, I have a prize for that as well. And just go and look at the information, and I'm sure you might want to consider it and join me in Jakarta. So there you go. I have put up all the names, fold them up, put them in a little box, shake it all, and hopefully I got it as random as I can. There's only 5 of them, so it's a chance of 20% for all the participants. And I shuffle them again just to make sure that it's all random, yeah, give it one more mix. Picked up one, and let's see who. Drum roll. I think the winner is Beth Planky. So there you have it, Beth. You have this little puppy or stoned guardian coming your way. Original sketch by Teck. Congratulations, Beth.